AI is hitting a massive physical wall, Michael, and it isn't because of software. It's because copper wiring is literally choking on heat and latency as these clusters scale up.
So what happens when the wires can't handle the data anymore? Does the whole AI revolution just stall out?
Not if you switch from electricity to light, which is exactly where POET Technologies is focusing.
Wait, I've heard that name popping up in my feeds lately. Is this another one of those hype stocks that's just riding the AI wave?
It's much more technical than that. They're working on something called an optical interposer, which is a platform that bonds electronic and photonic components onto a single wafer. Essentially, they're building microscopic bridges that allow data to move at light speed without melting the hardware.
Okay, so they're basically upgrading the plumbing for the entire AI era. That sounds huge, but does anyone actually use this stuff yet?
That's the million-dollar question, and recent developments give us more to examine. This past May, they announced a strategic supply agreement with Lumilens that included an initial $50 million purchase order for their optical engines.
$50 million? For a company that's still in the early stages, that's a massive deal. What else happened around that time?
Right on the heels of that, they closed a direct offering that brought in $400 million in gross proceeds to fund manufacturing expansion and corporate development. It gave the company substantially more capital to pursue its plans.
$400 million is a staggering amount of cash to raise. But let's look at the math here, Emma. I was looking at their recent numbers, and things look intense.
They're intense. If you look at the trajectory, their annual revenue grew from about $209,000 in 2021 to over $1 million in 2025. That's a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 50.6%.
Okay, so the top line is growing fast. But if I look at the bottom line, it's the complete opposite. I'm seeing a net loss of about $63 million for the last fiscal year. How does a company with $1 million in revenue justify a market cap of over $1 billion?
That's exactly where the tension lies. At $8.18 per share, the market is clearly pricing in massive future expectations, not what's happening on the income statement today. The price-to-sales multiple sits at over 1,000.
1,000 times sales. That sounds absolutely wild. It feels like you're betting on a dominant position in next-generation optical interconnects.
Exactly. That's the debate. On one side, the bulls see a company that has secured the capital and the partnerships to pursue a major role in next-generation 800G and 1.6T optical transceivers. They see that $50 million order as early commercial validation.
And I'm guessing the bears are looking at that roughly $63 million loss and the fact that the cumulative weighted share count rose by about 170% from 2021 through 2025?
Precisely. The bears are pointing to the massive cash burn and the risk that they might need even more equity raises before they ever hit true profitability. They're asking if the technology can scale fast enough to outrun the costs of development.
So, we have a company with a massive cash injection and a huge new contract, but also massive losses and heavy dilution. It feels like a high-stakes game of catch-up.
It really is. The fundamental question is whether POET can bridge the gap between being a high-tech developer and becoming a high-volume manufacturer before that cash runway runs out.
I need to know more about how they actually plan to handle that scale. Is there a path to making this profitable, or are we just watching a giant burn?
That's exactly what we tackle in our full deep dive. We break down the supply chain, look at the competition, and examine the expectations embedded in this billion-dollar valuation.
This is just the surface. The full 50-minute deep dive on POET Technologies Incorporated common shares, the business, the management, the financials, who owns it, the risks, and the valuation, is waiting for you on stockanalytics.ai. For €20 a month, you get 20 full-length deep dive requests, plus our entire S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 video library, and you can request your own. That's stockanalytics.ai. And a quick note, this is an AI-generated analysis for educational purposes only, and nothing here is financial advice.